Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide the public holiday on your Google Calendar. So first thing first, I'm going to open my calendar. Okay, so here as you can see on my calendar, there are so many public holidays marked, like this one on the 29th, on the next month, also and the 19th, and others public holiday. And how about if I want to hide these holidays on my calendar? So what you need to do is just click on the three lines icon at the top left corner on your calendar, and here scroll down the options until you find holiday. So you just need to uncheck this box right here to hide the public holiday, just like that. And when you go back to the calendar, there will be no public holiday shown in the calendar. Okay, so just like that, I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.